KMC Controls has recently invested in its production process with a new Ursa VersaFlow 335 selective soldering machine. The machine uses less material and improves the reliability of solder joints used on circuit boards. The new machine also cuts down on the time it takes to complete production compared to the widely used wave solder process. In the wave solder method, a circuit board is moved on a conveyor belt through a wave of molten solder, which flows through holes and round pins to make solder joints. The wave solder method is often used for components that are in close proximity, but in some instances, the solder may not have sufficient clearance to be applied evenly to each joint. Conversely, KMC's new selective soldering machine targets individual joints sequentially across the circuit board. Not only does this use less solder and flux than the wave method, it prevents heat damage to adjacent areas, which can result from the application of molten solder across a large surface area. With the selective soldering machine, there's no need to prepare each circuit board with glue and solder masks, as must be done with wave soldering, which reduces overall production time. This investment is just the latest example of our commitment to innovation and continuous improvement to better serve our customers now and in the future. To learn more about KMC Controls, our products, software, or services, be sure to visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.